Ready to start your journey with Northwest University? Here's how you can register online. Visit studies.nwu.ac.za/study/registration and select registration. Click on Register Online and log in with your university number and the PIN you received when you applied. Once you're logged in, the Student Records page will open. Select Registration and then Self-Registration. Remember that your registration year is your current academic year. Click Next when it says you can register and move through the different pages. Ensure all information is correct before proceeding to the next page. You won't be able to make any changes once you've moved on. This is indicated by the web page bar being shaded. However, you can update your personal details once you've registered on DIY Services at diyservices.nwu.ac.za/personal-details-service. Just a tip. If a field is not shaded, you can make changes. Fields marked with an asterisk are compulsory. According to the POPI Act, you must grant explicit consent to the disclosure of your personal information. Please give your consent on this screen. Please enter your email address in the preferred method of account correspondence field. We will send your proof of registration to the email address you provide. Please double check that your email address is correct. After confirming your contact details, click Next to continue. Confirm that the qualification and curriculum for which you have been accepted are correct. NWU wants to ensure that you can successfully navigate, understand, interpret, and produce text in an academic environment. For this reason, you will be required to take the TAG or TAL test as a first-year student. The TAG test will determine when you can take the module for academic literacy. Students who receive codes 123 or 3G will register for ALDA or ALD 111 in the first semester and ALDA or ALD 122 in the second semester. Borderline will be allowed to write a second opportunity. However, students must register for 111. Students with code 4 or 5, except for law and certain programs in natural sciences, the exception that are allowed to continue with 122 and receive module credits for 111 is quantitative risk management, financial mathematics, data mining, actuarial sciences, information technology, urban and regional planning will be exempt from ALDA or ALDA E 111. This module should not be deregistered, as module credits will be loaded on the student's record and can register for ALDA or ALDA E 112 first semester depending on their facility. Engineering, humanities, and health sciences only. All other facilities must register for ALDA or ALDA E 122 in the second semester according to the relevant grouping per facility. This module is marked automatically. On the Select Module screen, please note the notifications highlighted in red. Please consult your facility's yearbook to ensure that you register for the correct modules according to your qualification requirements. If you marked only one module or only first semester modules, select all modules for the current curriculum. Where elective modules are indicated, you should choose accordingly. If you have to register for more than 2 modules, complete the rest on the self-registration app and request to add the modules via the DIY Adds and Drops app, which is diyservices.nwu.ac.za/adds-and-drops-services. Thereafter, all modules for the current years will be listed. Please note, any elective modules on your curriculum will be listed separately for selection. Once you've selected your modules, proceed to the next screen where you can make changes. To apply for the prerequisite test, click Next. You'll find the list of modules available for registration under Pass Requisites. If certain modules don't meet the prerequisite requirements, click the I icon for more information. The screen will show you which modules you can register for and which ones do not meet the requirements. Click on Remove Unsuccessful Modules to remove them from the screen. Only the modules you can register for will remain. Read the undertaking agreement carefully before accepting the terms of the agreement. If you do not accept the terms of the agreement, you will not be registered. Your proof of registration will be sent to your email address. You can also request your proof of registration through NWU DIY Services at diyservices.nwu.ac.za and click on the Formal Student Documentation tab. Congratulations! You are now registered as a Northwest University student.